Hi everyone, welcome to the next section of this lesson. In this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process of how to reset the root password on a Red Hat 8 or CentOS 8 system. Quick one, if you're going to be writing the RHCSA 8 exam or the SUSE Linux exam or the LFCX exam, just come to this website and click on the type of exam practice questions that you want to write. Okay, I am going to be dropping the link to this website in the description section below so that you can easily navigate. To recover or reset a root password, the first thing you need to do, of course, is to restart the system. So let's power on the system. Okay. So what we need to do is to boot the system into the single user mode. Alright. So as soon as the boot process gets to the grub menu, we need to interrupt the grub menu by pressing the E key on the kernel that we're using. So we're using the first kernel. Alright, so I'm just going to edit this kernel, and on the line Linux I'm going to edit this parameter. So let me just make this screen big so that you can see what I'm doing pretty well. Alright, so I'm going to edit the line RO, which means read only, to read write. Okay, root file system permission needs to be changed to read write for root to be able to make changes. So this is going to be read write. We did this in the previous chapter. Alright, so this shouldn't be a problem. Read write init equals /sysroot, okay, /bin/bash, and we press the Ctrl X key to boot the system into the single user mode. Alright, so we'll wait till the system gets to the single user mode. Now that we're in single user mode, let's mount the real root partition. Alright, to do that we're going to use the command chroot/sysroot. Okay, so now we can edit the root password. So I'm just going to change the root password. I'm going to give it a new password. Okay, so the root password has been changed. The next step is to relabel SE Linux context to make the changes permanent. So in one of our previous chapters too, I talked about SE Linux. We've learned SE Linux as well. So I'm just going to use the command touch dash then followed by dot auto relabel, and we'll press the enter key. Alright, so now that this is done, we can unmount the real root partition by pressing the exit key. Okay, and also we write the command exit to log out of the single user mode. Alright, so now we can reboot the system. Okay, so you can see that the system is being rebooted for login. Alright, so this is how you're going to reset the root password on a Red Hat 8 or CentOS 8 system. This also cuts across a Red Hat 7 system as well. Alright, so thank you for watching, and please subscribe to this channel. Bye for now. Alright, I'm just waiting. I want it to fully come up. Alright, so I guess the system is fully up. Alright, so let me just wait till it shows me the login prompt. Alright, here we go. So the system is fully up now. So thank you for watching once again. Bye bye.